There's nothing worse than the unexpected cold nights and random storms that turn fun camping trips into survival excursions. The best options are shoving hand warmers in your sleeping bags, turning on propane stoves, or wearing every outfit you own to stay warm. Until now. We're Bundle, and we created the world's first smart, electric heated sleeping bag that self-regulates to keep you warm. Here's how it works. First, charge the Bundle battery before you pack. As you drive, or with solar on the trail, the battery keeps your bag heated for at least 4 nights. It also charges other devices like your phone or camera to keep you outdoors longer. Next, set up camp and plug it in. Use our Bundle app to power on your bag from across the campsite, so your bag is already heated even before you call it a night, because nobody likes to crawl into a cold sleeping bag. Then, use the app to adjust the panels in the top section, midsection, and footbox of your bag to your preferred temperature. Instead of traditional bulky copper wiring, we use a unique heating solution, a patented thin film carbon fiber panel which is ultra lightweight, paper thin, waterproof, comfortable, and seamlessly integrated. If you don't have your phone to use the app, or you like to totally disconnect while camping, we've also implemented a physical power button with 4 different heat settings. While you sleep, our smart sleeping bag acts just like your home thermostat with multiple sensors that monitor and maintain your ideal temperature throughout the night. We also added features to improve your camping experience, elevating this bag above the rest. Unzippable footbox to walk around or vent. Armholes for mobility. An ultra-soft pillow pouch for pillows or clothes. A media pocket to store your belongings. And as a stretch goal, we'll even add a USB charging port to charge your devices in the pocket. The Bundle sleeping bag's material, insulation, and smart electronics are top of the line. So whether you're backpacking, car camping, traveling, or heading out for an overnight adventure, the Bundle heated sleeping bag will be there to elevate your camping experience and keep you outside longer. Get the Bundle sleeping bag by backing us on Kickstarter.
The future of travel footwear is here. A way more comfortable sneaker for everyday city life and to discover the world one day of exploring at a time. This is the Pathfinder, the most comfortable sneaker for travelers ever made. Extremely light with a sleek design. In time, you'll come to realize that they are also super durable, breathable, and impeccably crafted, so you can enjoy them for years to come. Why is the Pathfinder the perfect sneaker for travelers? First, its innovative upper. After hours of walking or running around the city, you'll love that the knit of the Pathfinder makes them super breathable and form-fittingly flexible. The upper is also moisture-wicking, water-resistant, and quick-drying, because you can never know when the weather will change on you. Made with 10 recycled plastic bottles, they are also our most sustainable and eco-friendly to date. Second, the sole. The sole is made of EVA, this planet's strongest and lightest material, so your feet will never get tired. When you're traveling, you'll appreciate that we have upgraded them to be 2 times lighter than any other sneakers on the market. They are ultra-cushioned and impact-resistant, but that's not all. We've added an ergonomic insole, which grips the foot firmly and adds a next level of comfort. The Pathfinder's rubber grip has ridges designed to mimic fingerprints, making them anti-slip no matter the conditions. Guaranteeing optimal comfort whether you're exercising, riding a scooter, running to catch the bus, or just enjoying the city and great outdoors with friends. We've also thought about how to pack them. The Pathfinder can be packed conveniently like a sandwich for easy travel without losing their shape. We are MiroX. We have sold more than 280,000 pairs of sneakers since our founding in 2013. We make 100% animal-free products and are a PETA-approved company. It took months of research, countless prototypes, and hundreds of conversations with travelers. We've received feedback via apps from our more than 100,000 customers from all over the world to get their input on Pathfinder, and we've designed exactly what they've asked for. The Pathfinder is multi-purpose, water-resistant, quick-drying, sustainable, super comfortable, durable. The sneaker for city lovers and world travelers. Let the Pathfinder help you discover more and get lost on this planet. Travel, explore, live, be a Pathfinder. Pre-order your sneakers today.